Hey, what's up YouTube? I just thought I'd do a quick video here for you all of how where I live, was able to get my land surveyed for only $100. I needed a metal detector, and I found the original property marking stakes in the ground and uncovered them. And then I called a company and explained to them that I found what I believe was the original stakes. And let's see if you can read the company's name. But it's located here in Kentucky. But, well, the company told me, being these were their original marking stakes, being I already had them exposed and where they were located, that they didn't have to find them, that it only charged me $100 to survey my land, which is several acres. But they just, of course, marked all four corners, basically. But hopefully that's a helpful tip or trick that someone can use and you can benefit from it. I said, I used the metal detector and found my original stakes marking the property line, because I knew my property line between mine and my neighbors. But yeah, hopefully this helps. More videos to come. Please like, share, and subscribe.